Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to do this present perfect continuous tense. Before that we have discussed separately about present perfect and present continuous, but now we have in one tense perfect as well as continuous. So this is a special tense in terms of time. Why time? Because it connects, or you may say that links both the present and the past time. It does not only talk about present or only about the past, but it connects both. In this tense, we talk about the action that started in the past and is still continuing now. Or in other words, you may say that something started in the past and still going on now. मतलब ऐसा काम जो माजी में शुरू किया था लेकिन हाल में भी जारी है. Here I have written two sentences just to show the difference. First we have I have cooked dinner, which means I cooked it in the past. Now it's ready. It doesn't need to be cooked anymore. And second sentence I have been cooking dinner, which means I started in the past and I am still cooking now. I have not finished yet. Let's discuss about the ideology, that how are we going to identify this tense in Urdu sentences. And the ideology is इन फिक्रात में वक्त की मियाद के साथ रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह आता है. In previous videos we have read the ideology of present continuous tense, that is somehow the same, that Urdu sentences also end at रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. So what is the difference between present perfect continuous tense and present continuous tense? So the difference is only the time. In present perfect continuous, time has been given, and in present continuous, time has not been given. For example, बारिश हो रही है. That is the sentence of present continuous. If we are going to change it into present perfect continuous, then that would be सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. So in this tense, the time has been given. This is what we are going to identify in Urdu sentences. But how are we going to change it into English? Let's discuss about the methodology. So the ideology is, first of all, we have subject, has and have, because that we use in perfect, and we use third form in perfect after has and have. So here we are using third form of be. So the one condition of present perfect has been satisfied, like subject, has, have and third form. Now we are left with continuous. So we are going to use first form of the verb with ing, then object, since and for plus time. This is what I have explained of affirmatives methodology. Now I am going to explain the negatives methodology as well. So in negative we use not, subject, has, have, not, been, first form of the verb with ing, object, since, for and time. So we have the interrogative methodology as well. This has and have would come at the beginning of the sentence to make it a question form. Then subject, been, first form of the verb with ing, then object, since and for, time and a question mark. Now the question is when to use since and when to use for. So since we use with the point of time and for we use with the period of time. So here we have some examples of since and for. Since we use with the point of time, for example, yesterday, 7 o'clock, Monday, March 2020. For we use with the period of time, which means previous 5 minutes, last week, several years, or last year. Now let's move towards the exercise on page number 84. Number 1 we have अकबर कई घंटे से पहाड़े याद कर रहा है. Akbar is a subject, याद कर रहा है is a verb. पहाड़े is an object. कई घंटे से is a time. So we are going to change this sentence according to the methodology, and that would be Akbar has been learning tables for several hours because exact time has not been given. Number 2 we have तुम 6 बजे से दोस्तों को खत लिख रहे हो. You have been writing letters to your friends since 6 o'clock because exact time has been given. Number 3 मरीज 10 मिनट से चीख रहा है. The patient has been crying for 10 minutes. Number 4 डॉक्टर 10 मिनट से मरीज का मुआयना कर रहा है. The doctor has been examining the patient for 2 hours. Number 5 चौकीदार 5 घंटे से पहरा दे रहा है. The watchman has been keeping watch for 5 hours. Number 6 तुम 5 मिनट से चाकू तेज कर रहे हो. You have been sharpening knife for 5 minutes. किसान 2 माह से फसल की कटाई कर रहा है. The farmer has been harvesting the crop for 2 months. Number 8 नक्शा नवीस 1 हफ्ते से इमारत का नक्शा बना रहे हैं. The draftsmen have been making the design of the building for 1 week. Dear students, I have completed half exercise and rest of the half exercise is going to be your homework. Let's move towards the exercise of negative sentences. Number 1 we have लाहौर में कल से बारिश नहीं हो रही है. It has not been raining in Lahore since yesterday. Number 2 तालाब में मेंढक शाम से नहीं टरा रहे हैं. The frogs have not been croaking in the pond since evening. Number 3 हम अप्रैल से अफवाहों पर यकीन नहीं कर रहे हैं. We have not been believing in rumors since April. Number 4 ये आदमी सुबह से घास नहीं काट रहा है. This man has not been cutting grass since morning. Number 5 किसान कई माह से नया ट्रैक्टर नहीं खरीद रहा है. The farmer has not been buying a new tractor for so many months. Number 6 असगर 20 दिन से झूठ नहीं बोल रहा है. Asghar has not been telling a lie for 20 days. Number 7 we have मैं दिसंबर से नया नॉवल नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. I have not been writing a new novel since November. Number 8 we have मेरे दोस्त कई सालों से तोहफे नहीं भेज रहे हैं. My friends have not been sending gifts for several years. Half exercise is going to be your homework. Now we are going to move towards the interrogative sentences. Number 1 we have क्या बारिश शाम से हो रही है? Has it been raining since evening? Number 2 क्या हजूम दोपहर से नारे लगा रहा है? Has the crowd been raising slogans since noon? Number 3 बच्चे सुबह से किताबें क्यों खराब कर रहे हैं? Why have the children been spoiling books since morning? Number 4 मेरा भाई किस कारखाने में 11 तारीख से काम कर रहा है? In which factory has my brother been working since the 11th? Number 5 क्या वो 20 मिनट से नॉवल पढ़ रहा है? Has he been reading a novel for 20 minutes? Number 6 मजदूर 5 घंटे से कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं? Where have the laborers been working for 5 hours? Number 7 सड़क बनाने वाला इंजन 2 दिन से किस सड़क की मरम्मत कर रहा है? Which road has the road roller been repairing for 2 days? Number 8 क्या मौसीकार मंगल से गीत गा रहे हैं? Have the musicians been singing songs since Tuesday? Rest half exercise is going to be your homework.